Tony, a popular barber, gets pulled over and, mistaking the stop for a casual meeting, asks Officer Green about his hairstyle preferences. Amused yet professional, Officer Green clarifies that it's a traffic stop, not a salon booking. Tony, still slightly confused, jokes about the officer's sideburns before realizing the seriousness of the situation. Officer Green patiently explains the importance of staying silent and inquiring about legal counsel. The funny exchange ensures Tony comprehends the critical need to exercise his Miranda rights while also leaving both with a light-hearted chuckle.